Hi, I'm David Newman here, blogging for CompassionateSocieties.org, and I'm just going to give you a quick idea of the living conditions down in Guatemala. When I got there, I lived more in a tourist area, so the buildings were a lot nicer, beautiful paint, beautiful areas, gated off community. But once you really got down to the city and saw where the people lived, it really opened your eyes. You had people living in slums, kind of like you see in movies, but when you actually go into these and you see the dirt ground, no concrete, things built out of stuff that we would usually just throw into the trash, it really makes you open your eyes. A lot of the houses are actually tucked away up in the hills or down the valleys where you really can't see them that well. There were a couple times on my trip where the kids would talk to me and I would ask them in my broken Spanish, "Hey, where do you guys live?" And they would just point up into the woods, and I was like, "I really don't see any houses up there, but all right, I'll take your word for it." But even with these living conditions, the Guatemalan people are unbelievable. They respect you so much, they have so much compassion, and they'll do anything for you. And I think even with their low standards of living, they really love their life. They value everything. They're very religious. They love their family. And I think this should open a lot of eyes to how happy you can still be and not have all the material values that we seem to need here in the United States.